How do Americans in Europe find a reliable expat tax specialist? Imagine trying to navigate a maze of tax rules from two countries at once. It can be confusing and stressful, especially when you want to stay compliant and save money. If you are living or working in Europe and need help with your US taxes, finding a good expat tax specialist is key. But how do you find someone you can trust? Let's walk through the steps. First, understand what an expat tax specialist does. They help Americans abroad prepare and file their US tax returns. They report foreign income, claim tax credits or exclusions, and handle foreign bank account reporting. They also advise on avoiding double taxation, which happens when both the US and your European country tax the same income. Knowing this helps you know what to look for. Start by searching for firms that focus on US expat taxes. Look for companies with a solid reputation among Americans living in Europe. Many specialists advertise online, and some have offices in major European cities like London, Paris, or Berlin. Others offer remote consultations, which can be just as effective. Make sure they have experience with both US tax law and the local European tax rules. Check credentials carefully. Look for specialists who are authorized to representing US taxpayers before the Internal Revenue Service. This might include certified public accountants or enrolled agents. These credentials mean they have passed exams and meet professional standards. Some firms also have IRS acceptance agent status, which allows them to verify your identity for certain filings. Ask for recommendations. Reach out to other Americans living in Europe through online forums or expat groups. Personal recommendations can point you toward trusted professionals. Read reviews or testimonials to see how others rate their services. Many specialists offer free initial consultations, so take advantage of these to see if they're a good fit. When you meet with a potential specialist, be prepared to share accurate details about your income, residency, and foreign assets. This information helps them give precise advice and avoid mistakes. Confirm they can handle specific needs like the foreign earned income exclusion or foreign tax credit. If you plan to stay in Europe long-term, ongoing support can be helpful for future filings. In the end, finding a reliable expat tax specialist involves a mix of research, checking credentials, and asking for recommendations. Make sure they understand both US and European tax rules. Using a good professional can help you stay compliant, reduce your tax bills, and make living abroad much easier.